Hello and welcome. Today I've got this DCE580 Type 1. This is the old model caulking gun from Dewalt. This one has an issue. I'll just open it to show you what it is. You can nearly spot it by now. This part should be attached to the other end of this part. The guy that owns this told me the screw was missing. The screw that holds this onto this. But lucky enough, I went to look for the screw online, and you can buy the screw on its own, this part here, but I decided to put the whole kit on it. This whole kit is available for less than £20. The part number is 659569-00, and it's a full service kit for this here. So first and foremost, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to push this in. That's a lovely sound. There we are. I think I'm doing the right thing, because that O-ring could not be in good condition. Look at that. No, I think I'm doing the right thing, replacing the kit. So getting up close and personal with this kit, I'm going to show you what we've got for that small sum of money. Yeah, look at this. Whole pile of instructions, look at that. Whole pile of madness. Aside from those ever so enlightening instructions, we have the plastic piece, a screw, not one O-ring but two O-rings, and some lubricant. So that's all very nice. But there's something I have to do before I start even fitting this, I think. The actual tube itself, if I look down there, it looks fairly suboptimal in there. I think I'm going to have to clean that tube before I do any more. There's residue and there's rubber and there's all sorts of things. So here we are. I'm going to give it a blast with electrical contact cleaner. It helps. It's not perfect, but that's probably as clean as it's going to get, you know. Probably give it an old blowout with a airline. Let's go with the kit again. Bit of lubricant here now, see if we can get it open. There we are. Put one of these O-rings on. Might as well use it all. And we still have an O-ring left over. Yep, all's good. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.